Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Hope you are safe and sound, dear students. Today we are starting our Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learners book. The topic is the 100th square. Learners book, page number 4. In today's lesson, we will learn about 100th square grid. Our learning objective is students will be able to gain a good understanding of the 100 square by recognizing and using the repeating number patterns it contains. We start with the work with our prior knowledge or anticipation. Complete the number pattern. Look at the first pattern 1, 2, dash, 4, dash, 6, 7, dash 9, then 10. If you observe this pattern, you can find out its simple counting starting from 1 till 10. So it's 1, 2. What will be the next number? Yes, it's 3. So you will write 3. Then 4. Next is 5. 6, 7, next is 8, 9, 10. Look at the second pattern 2, 4, 6, dash, 10, dash, 14, dash, 18. So starting from 2, 3 is not here, then 4, 5 is not here, then 6. It means we skip one number after each number given, or we will count in twos. So start counting from 2, skip 3, 4, skip 5, then 6, skip 7. The next is, yes, it's 8. Then skip 9, 10, skip 11. The next number is, yes, it's 12. Skip 13, then 14, skip 15. And what you will write here? Good, it's 16. Then skip 17 and then it is 18. Now I will tell you about 100 square grid. Look at this 100 square grid. In this grid we have numbers from 1 till 100 in an organized way. Let's take a closer look at the numbers on a 100 square grid. We carried the numbers from left to the right as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are adding 1 each time. And if we count back or backward, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We are subtracting 1 each time. So on 100 square grid, when we are counting from left to right, or we are reading from left to right, we are increasing number by 1. And from right to left, we are subtracting 1 each time. What happened if we count downward on a square grid, 100 square grid? Let's take a look. Look at this column 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. From 5 till 15. If you count the numbers, you will find that numbers are increasing by 10. Put 5 in your mind and count on fingers onwards. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, it's 10. And from 15 to 25, again 10. So on 100 square grid, when we count or when we move from downward, from upward to downward, we are adding tens. Our numbers are increased by 10. And if we count upward, we are subtracting 10 each time. For example, take a look on 99. Look at the number 99. 90s row a column. 99, 89, 79, 69, 59, 49, 39, 29, 19, 9. From 99 till 89, you can count. First count, put 99 in mind and count back. So start counting on your fingers. 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91, 90, 89. So it means 89 is 10 less than 99. So the numbers are decreasing by 10 if we count upward on a 100 square grid. Now open your learner's book, page number 4, broken 100 square. First, we will write day and date on that page. So, hold your pencils, write classwork in the center. Then on the left side, you will write your day. Today is Monday. So, write Monday here. On the right side, you will write today's date. That is 31st August, 2020. Now, look at this page. It's an activity page. Color these numbers in on your 100 square. And you will find out how do the numbers change as you move up or down each shape. You can see each pattern has, or each shape has different as specific colors. So we will do this activity together. I have my 100 square grid here. So we will take see the pattern from here, from this page, and we will find these number on 100 square grid and color them. Look at the first one. First one is 88 and 98. So first let's find out 88 on the 100 square grid. Look at the 80s line. So 88 is here, and down to 88 is 98. Let me highlight it first. 88 and 98. So if you look at this pattern, 88, then down one is 98. The pattern is moving downwards. And as you know, on 100 square grid, when we move downward, we are adding 10 each time. Our number is increased by 10. So from 88 till 98, we have 10 numbers. So we will color this pattern in purple. Look at the second pattern, 16, 17 and 18. Let's find these numbers on 100 square. Look at the tens line, 1 tens line, 16, 17 and 18. I will highlight. I'm going to highlight the numbers for you, 16, 17 and 18. You can see now the pattern is moving from left to right. It means the number are increasing by 1, or each number is adding 1, 16, 17 and 18. And we will color it green according to the book. Now next one is 24, 34, 44, 33 here and 35 here. Let's find this pattern on a square grid. First, look at the number 24. The smallest one on the pattern is 24. Here is 24. Again, I am highlighting it for you. 24, 35, 44, 33. So now if we look at 24, the numbers are moving downwards. 24, 34 and 44. It means the number are increasing by 10 because the pattern is going downward and the pattern is going from left to right, from 33 till 35. 33, 34, 35. They are increasing by 1. So in this pattern we will color red. The next pattern is 39, 49, 48, 47, 57. I will highlight these numbers for you first. So look at the first number, that is 39. Look at the 3 tens line. Here is 39. 39, 49, 48, 47, 57. Here we done. Now look at the pattern. 39, then down 49. Again downward. It means it is increasing by 10. Then 49, 48, 47. It's moving from right to left. So we are subtracting 1 each time here. 49, 48, 47. Then again it's going down from 47 to 57. As it is moving downward, it is increased by 10. So we will color this pattern in golden color. Now the next number is 41, 52 and 63. This is the pattern. Find this pattern on the 100 square grid. Yes, here is 41, then 52, then 63. This is the pattern. It's going diagonal. So from 41 till 52, let's count it. How many numbers we are increasing from 41. Keep it in your mind and count on till 52. Put 41 in your mind and count on your fingers. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. Yes, it's 11. So in this pattern, numbers are increasing by 11 from 41 till 52, from 52 till 63. It means when we will move diagonal or 100 square grid, we are increasing by 11. So color this pattern in blue. The next pattern is 92, 93, 94. It's a simple pattern. We will move to 90s line. 92, 93, 94. It's moving from left to right. It means that it is increasing by 1. And we will color it red. Now next one is 2 and 12. So find 2 in the pattern. Look at the first row. Once it's 2 and it is 12. So 2 till 12, it is moving downward. The pattern is moving from 2, it's moving down till 12. So it means it is increased by 10. And we will color this pattern in yellow. Now the next pattern is 19, 28, 37. Now find this one on 100 square grid. Look at 1/10 line. Here is 19. So we start from 19, 28, 37. So I'm doing it again for you. From 19, 28, 37. So from 19 it's going again diagonal, 28 and 37. They are moving from downwards diagonally. So put 19 in your mind and count till 28. Put 9 in your mind and count on fingers forward: 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Stop. How many numbers are here? Yes, you have 9 fingers. It means 9 number. So number are increasing by 9 from 19 till 28 and from 28 till 37. And we will color this pattern in blue. Now we have done all. So you can do this activity by yourself at home. It's very easy. Let me show you my 100 grid as I have done it for you, and I have taken a clip of that 100 square grid and I'm showing you here. Isn't it look beautiful? Yes, it is. So you can make your own pattern and color it with different colors. You can do it by taking a printout of 100 square grid, or you can draw your own 100 square grid on a page. Then you will make your own patterns and color them. Or you can use the same pattern we have done today. It will help you out to find out where the numbers are going upward or downward, or are they increasing or decreasing. I hope you will enjoy this activity. Please you must try this activity in your home. Now we are winding up our lesson. Plenary. Complete the number pattern. Look at the number pattern here. 5-7-. So start counting from 5. 5. The next is 6. Then 7. Then what will the next number? Yes, it's 8. It's simple counting. Look at the second pattern. 28, 29, 31, 33. So start counting from 28. 28, 29, 30, 31. Next is 32. Yes, then 33. So you will write your answers here. Last one, 60. Then 61 is not here. So 62 is here. It means we skip one number between each two numbers. 60, skip 61, then 62. Skip 63, then 64. Skip 65, then what comes here? 66. Excellent. Then 67, skip that. 68, good. Then skip 69, and the last will be, yes, it's 70. So that's it for today. Inshallah, we will meet in the next lesson with new activities, with new topics. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.